Good morning, students. Today we are going to do our new poem, that is My Computer Needs a Break. It is written by Shantini Govindan and it is based on science and technologies. You know what is the technical gadgets that have come up in the last 2 years? What are the new gadgets that you want in the future? What will they be used for? What new features would you like to introduce? Make a list and make enough sketches of gadgets. So this is activity you will do later on or before the poem. Now I am going to recite the poem with the full explanation. I hope you will understand. So let's do it. My computer has always been so brainy and smart. Brainy means very intelligent. It seems to know mountain of information by heart. If I type in a question and give my mouse a click, my computer always gives me the answer really quick. Means my computer, here the poet is describing which job her computer can do very fast and very intelligently. Here she describes that the computer can have the mountain, means endless information that is accurate by heart, means that is accurately given by it. If you type any question, you can get the answer very quick, means it's a very quick machine. In second stanza, but of late my computer has been behaving badly too. Means when it is late, it behaves very badly. It's so absent-minded that I do not know what to do. Means sometimes it is very late. And that time the poet do not know what to do. It forgets to save her work and store it away. Means it do not store the things and instead makes it vanish in the most dreadful way, means in very disappointed way. It vanish everything. Whenever sometimes it's happened with us also. When we store something but it do not get stored. Doesn't get stored. Why? You know well, it based on the machine, how much storing data it contains. And in next stanza, the poet said that my computer doesn't check that my spellings are right. Means it do not have ability to check the spellings whether right or wrong and hides my files so that they vanish from sight. Sometimes her files go in another place, one place to another, means it cannot be seen by her. It get vanished. And one day my naughty computer actually gobbled a worm. Gobbled a worm, quickly get a virus. And what happened? It is very naughty, it get worm, it get away all the information and behaved so erratically, means badly. It behaves very erratically, strangely, that wrongly, and that it made me squirm. It made her very unpleasant. That is very unpleasantly done by the computer. Means sometimes it get warm and it do not behave goodly. Then my computer caught a virus and fell very sick. It became sick when it got a virus. And so I had to call call in a doctor. Means sometimes we get sick, we call the doctor. So what is the doctor of computer? That is engineer, computer engineer, who make it double quick. As the doctor examined my computer, I just had to say, "Doctor, do you think my tired computer wants a holiday?" So here she asked from the engineer, computer engineer, that is the computer needs a break after a lot of work. So here she asked from the doctor of computer. So I hope you understood all the information given by the computer and how the computer got the virus and all.